Welcome, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the heart of Peshawar cuisine with a dish beloved by many, Charsi Chicken Karahi. Let's cook up a storm, Charsi style. Start with a hot pan and some oil. Once it's sizzling, add your chicken. You'll want to fry these pieces until they're beautifully golden brown on all sides. This is where all the flavor starts. Once your chicken is perfectly fried, carefully remove the excess oil, leaving just a bit behind to cook the tomatoes. Next, add whole tomatoes to the pan. No chopping needed. Just let them soften and then crush them right in the pan to blend with the chicken. It's time for the magic touch. Sprinkle in some salt, black pepper powder, and ginger paste. Stir well to combine. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice for that zesty kick, and throw in a few green chilies for a punch of heat. Give everything a good mix and let it simmer for a few minutes. There you have it, a fiery, flavorful chicken.